What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a case from Pitaka. This is their case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It is their ultra slim case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. It is woven from Aramid fiber. It is MagSafe compatible, slim profile, and is pinned to open. Boom. This is pin to open, pull to open, pull to open. And let's take a look at this device here. Bam, bam. Now, not to worry, gentlemen, Pitaka wanted me to let you guys know that the MagSafe here on this case itself, it's not in the right place, and they have noted that, and it is going to be corrected and placed in the right section. So you're not going to get this case right here with the wrong orientation of the MagSafe, the wrong placement of the MagSafe. You're going to get the one with the correct placement, which is going to allow you to wirelessly charge. But this is all you get, this little thin bad boy right here. You're going to go ahead and grab the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and boom, voila. This is like the most minimalist case you can possibly get. It has this nice ring around this. So you do have a little bit of lip protection there around the back. So you're protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. But that's about it. The buttons are exposed. No issue with the buttons. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise, and the cutout on top. And that's about it. Nothing more, just the back portion of the case. And it is going to wirelessly, let's see if it's going to wirelessly charge. It might, but because of that magnet being in the wrong orientation, it is going to conflict with this. But I can't wait to get the updated version of it, which is going to fix that issue, and it's going to work just fine with your MagSafe compatible devices. Let me go get one real quick. Like if you have this Mag Easy grip, bam, it's going to just boom, works fine. I can't wait to get the original one, because this Mag Easy clip right here, bam, this one right here, it's going to work just fine when you have this bad boy open. It's going to keep it secure. Boom, look at that. Strong as hell. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Strong as hell. You could be at the club, just not even lose your phone. But there you have it, guys. This is Pitaka's ultra slim case. This thing comes off. Boom. And this is their Mag Easy grip. Look at that ring. You can use this as a kickstand too, if anything. Boom, like that. Looks good. Feels good. Boom. Can't wait to get the updated version. And there you have it. Now, one thing, I don't know if it's Pitaka or what it is, but I got a little gripe here. Why are they not giving you the front portion of the case? Like, is it too hard, too thin? But that is absolutely crazy that they're not doing them no more. Pitaka's not the only one. There's some other ones too. They did it with the Galaxy Z Fold 6. They're not giving you the front portion. I want the front portion. I want it protected as well. To me, this kind of feels a little bit weird. It might not feel weird to you guys because you guys like that minimalist style, but I need to have, I'm OCD. I need to have the front portion of this case here. It's just a little weird to me. It just it doesn't, I just don't feel right. I don't feel right. So Pitaka, come on, let's get the front portion of the case. Let's move away from this, just the back portion, just the back plates and of the phones. But besides that, this thing looks absolutely beautiful and amazing. If you guys have any questions regarding this Pitaka ultra slim case, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. I love wieners.